To make 2 half-pound loaves of Pecan Streusel Toffee apple bread, make a streusel topping with 30 grams finely chopped pecans, 30 grams flour, 30 grams sugar, and 30 grams cold butter by rubbing the ingredients together between your fingers. Then to make the batter, cook 75 grams sugar to the caramel stage with 75 grams butter and 125 grams of peeled and diced Granny Smith apple. Then add 75 grams cream. Allow the hot apple toffee to cool for a few minutes and mix in 2 whole eggs, 120 grams flour, 3 grams baking powder, and a pinch of salt, being careful not to overmix, and divide between the prepared loaf pans in 2 layers with the streusel topping in the middle and top. Then bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. The Pecan Streusel Toffee apple bread is done when a toothpick inserted into the middle comes out clean.